Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. One command in the terminal, wait again. Since I played Tamer today, should not press the restart button. Let's wait, still waiting for a few lines. Should be ready, it runs in the browser. Lost for me. So reset, no, reset is here. This guy in the middle, I first have to choose a class. I take Tamer, the 3. It decides the enemies, if I come close to them, they attack me. Above my head is my HP. You see where I die. If I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. So the goal is to get as far away as possible. My pets get stronger in this case, the more they kill, and enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. So now I play until I die. Okay, good. Slowdowns. So my PC is doing something in the back. Okay, boss skill gets a skill point. Okay, no, Tim. Cannot. Waiting for the next boss. Next boss soon. Here. Next upgrades I want. Fire line. Fire line is fine. This slow range is stick. I can niche him now. Barely. Next boss. Careful. Victory and English I do not want yet. Take slow. Next boss. Survive. Take. Okay. And range. This is fine. Next boss. Let me see. Tight. Take. Less is perfect. And it's less on range, perfect. To play one more boss and then I reach the king. Let's play one more. Reached me. Yeah, perfect. I survive. I take dash. Can do that. Hmm. Can take gloves through. Range doesn't help me. Too happy one. Okay, come in. Doesn't reset. See. This is a bug. Can back to me, black. Okay, hit him. Go big on distance. Maybe my pet will stay, but close. I survived. I have to write it down. Also this one fails again, but doesn't matter. We play. I take for now. Long painter. Tamer sniper. Tamer. An idiot. I have a bug. Pets teleport reset. I'm not sure if it's a reset, but I have to check. The increase version is the first one. In 303. And next time's much slower with last stream. Okay, I really just let them one, although I had a bit more laggy this time. I have the new tamer one in. Test replace it. Minus 18, minus 10, minus 9. Six. So 11. Look here in 2 times. Still slower. Significantly faster than of last time. Let's wait for this replay. Send. This is a new one. It's not really faster. This is also new one. Doesn't count. Here, from 6 to 9, it's still significantly slower. Also remember, I don't save my paint area. Might be relevant. And also significantly different. The last one, let's see, musician. Musician did not change. Okay, so let's see. I am interested in short king is short and has a significant time change. Let's look into it. Short king. To the what do I? only want to test one. Function test one. Game. This. I am interested in shoot king. Then I call here. I call test one game. Interested in these. Can I also prevent? Let's keep this. Your test replace. Again, slower. 8 seconds. Let's go. Performance. No. It's performance. It looks different. Okay, I still have to with test replace. I remember this not being accurate in Chrome and virtual machine. Let's see what happens. Let's do this also. Add screen size to data. I want this. I have my data. Tweet. Was this interesting part? I want no. Just what? So wanna tick and paint. Tick characters, tick map characters. I'm searching for what is this? It was significantly faster while recording? I'm confused. Let's do one more one. Put it back down. Test replay one more. Interesting. Does it mean I cannot throw this away? Feels slow. Stop. Okay. Process it. Soul. Interesting. This doesn't make any sense. It's fast if I record. If I do performance measuring. I would believe it's some weird browser interaction, maybe. Losing 20% performance. if I cannot analyze it, because it's not present if I analyze it, it's strange. I can take time measures and see if I see anything. It goes to 18. I'm slow again. Tick 9, paint 10, tick 17, paint, tick 19. Okay, now I do a performance. Okay, we got tick goes to 6, 7, 12, 12. Yes, it's a lot less. Why? It should be absolutely the same. Something is different. Or the browser. And I can only believe it's independent of the code and just lose 20% because of code mapping or whatever happens in the background. Never had this. Maybe Google. Normally I would expect if I do performance that I get slower times, but now I get significantly faster time. Say Google Chrome performance tool increases code performance. Oh, here's someone. How old is this? 2015, okay, far too old. When we're with DevTools, script profiling. I have a breakpoint somewhere. This could be a reason. Do I have breakpoint? This one shouldn't be a problem. Anything else? I don't have a watch. So that a single breakpoint can cause 6, tick 10 profiling. It is a breakpoint. Interesting. I never knew. Well, I knew that certain breakpoints, but this breakpoint was never it. Okay, I have the reason. I think I have the reason. Let's go back to Alt. Tests. Let's run them once, and then I know. %. Very short ones do not count. Now I have fast again. again. So it's a waypoint, good to know. Even waypoints which are not hit take a lot of performance. I think this is the last replay I wait for, and then I... 30%, okay, perfect. Let's look into times. Okay, this is a new one with 2, I cannot use it. Long Sniper was an older one. Yes, from 296, and it did go back to the old times, perfect. So waypoint was a problem, but I also want to add screen size to my data. More data in here. Here is name. The asserts is probably it. Access to time. Or is it sorted? Alphabetically. So if I want screen size last, screen size would be S. That's after success. Also fine, let's see. Where is my... Let's see where I printed. Oh, I have an extra... replay result. Is it in here? Screen size. Let's make it a string. And it should be optional because my queue and replays don't have it. And I take it at the end. Okay, maybe let's say I want it, and let's see where it will. Only one error. Game. A game and assert. Okay, this is fine to put it in here. Const. Let's call it let screen size. It's empty. Put something in. I do not care about. Let's say if game ctx and screen size equals game ctx canvas bits. Static and tick. I'm confused. Times set correct? I have it, I add it. Someone else uses. Only check for certain properties, okay. C1 test. 1, 2. Stop. I have now. This is the last one. Screen size. Okay, I have it. It's not. It's only important if I want to know the timing difference. Okay. I have no idea what I pressed. I want here, I want. Not sure if I should put the new test in. Add screen size to. It's more canvas size, not screen size. Play data. Next. It's teleport reset. I teleport pets on king fight start. See. Start king fight. Is it here? Doesn't seem like it. Or is it? Here, teleport pets to owner. We have another teleport. Let me think. It's in tamer character. Tamer pet character. Okay, now tamer pet character. Teleport. No. Have expected it here. Teleport. No. Is it? It's what's causing it. Movement. They are too far away. Is a move tick? Is it in here or is it one higher? Tamer pet character. To have expected it in here. Let's move tick. Unhappy. Have a first move pull. I don't have a waypoint. have a waypoint, so I would delete it. Interesting. Why didn't he do it then? Direction with no target. The direction distance. Yeah, I set character position. And if I cannot reach him, set character position doesn't do sets. But then I'm try cheats king area. It's close. I have a tamer. I'm only interested in painter. We have to be outside. In I port, he paints. Next try. I'm only interested in painter. I'm only interested in not. Now I have to paint. Now he doesn't realize that this is an unreachable waypoint. It's a forced move position. Let's verify. A move thing. I have a forced position. Gets a waypoint, and I would expect that I delete it because I don't have a waypoint. I don't. I have to do breakpoint in. Move tick. Tamer pet character. Character. Tick. I would expect to be in here. I am in here. I have a waypoint. Next waypoint, I am interested. Do not expect a waypoint. I expect a cache. I hit. I edit. I get the watch. I return it. So it's a cache. The question is, I should have reset the cache once I close the door. I hope it happened. Can I come back later with Teilnahme? myself tanky, so I can put these. Anything else? Tile numbers, I should see it. -74. 2. Unpause. I should in here. I go in. What? Incorrect pet, maybe? Who do I have? Pet owner. Player, I hope. It's a painter. In. Okay, now I'm correct. I have 2 painter. The boss has 1. I have see again. Okay, it doesn't repaint. -74. -17 by -17 I point to it. -18 -18 here. -19.5. So I read it the wrong way around. Target key came from. Target key is -18. Confused. This is where my guy stands on. Start -90 minus. -18 is in. It's. I'm confused. Source pose, target pose. Target pose is exactly. He wants to target pose the start. Okay, this is confusing. 19.7. -19.7. This is here. Wanna tick characters. Confused. Tick characters. Player characters. I'm a player character. Why does he want to go to -19.7? Let's step more through it. 18.5. And I have pet. Did he stop painting maybe? And now he actually runs correctly? So I assume he 740. More to the left. By 220. I'm confused. Yes, he moves. Okay. No, I'm confused. Isn't he stuck? One more try. Ooh. And something to paint, I go in. No, he doesn't stop. Did you suddenly decide otherwise? And I need the waypoint. I need to know if I'm... No, this is a boss character. It's the correct one. I go in. I have 17.4 again. I go. I expect the cache. I have the data. Bigger. So I'm here. I minus 16.3. Perfect. This is here. Here he wants to move. And I'm minus 18.4. And my passing cache now says steps more. Yes, I get it. Minus 74. This is a blocked position. So I don't reset. No, I reset before I place a blocker. Let's find out. There's a bug. On king fight start. Character, not tamer, king enemy, start king fight. Change tile ID of map chunk. Chunk XY to map key. I have tile, new tile ID. Delete the paint cache. This shouldn't delete anything. I need to delete passing cache. The game. Delete passing cache or tile. Now I have to find out how this might look. Does this called by someone else? Yes, okay. Why? Okay, when I create them, or could already be created. There's also a chance that there was passing and I don't change it. Here I really delete all. Is this correct? Yes, I delete all. I don't know if there are still correct ones. So this should be a fix. I don't know this one. Tamer. Cheats. What is this? King area. Tamer. No, don't this. I want painter. And not connected. Paint something. Go in. I'm unsure if I started to paint something. Painter. Start something. Start and resets. I think this is correct. And now this painter one no longer work. Check it waypoints. I go to tests to know this one tamer box. I expect it to fail. I will see. Okay, now I go in. Now is a bed. Did it change? Console. No difference? I mean, swear that the painter does damage. I think it works perfect. Want to see it once more. Didn't do significant damage. Okay, I will now pause the replay, it fakes the timings. So I should restart before it gets recorded as data. And he is still stuck here. Stuck. But he is in the stupid state. Oh, it's recorded. I have to verify if this is... Tamer pet character, move, tick. I should still have a forced move position. I delete the forced move position, I guess. Because I should no longer have the waypoint. And I get target behavior. But he's a painter. It still confuses me. I think I should do one more try. And I need to stop and put breakpoints in. And to know this pet is thinking. And I can take over, I guess. How do I do it best? First pause. Pause. I don't know if I'm too late. Absolutely not what I wanted, but why didn't pause not work? Does replay? I can pause. I was probably in here. Damn. Wait again for the replay. Hi, Saif. Now I should not miss the point where I have to pause. I think I can take over from here. Okay, perfect. Yes. Cheats. I need one tick. Interesting. Very tanky. No longer be able to die. He should move, but he stays, which should not happen. Now I expect this to be. Maybe. get in here. Coach put you on the league. Sounds good. So after long illness you could perform good again. So you are fully healed, it seems. Congratulations for your hard work. I still want to look. Let's correct characters. I am the painter pet, and he gets a point. Something is off here with my code. I should not get a waypoint. I'm unsure. I need to. Oh, don't pause. No, you pause. I want this. I want tiles. Now I go back here. I check what's happening in here. I am never had a true friend ever. Sounds like you had friends, but not true friends, and there's a difference for you. D for 98. He wants to. Source position is I am on 190 and want to move to 490. Wants to move on the blocking tile. Interesting. And you trust, okay. Remember, you once mentioned that a friend came back to visit you, or your best friend. Tile. Thing doesn't. Okay. Undefined. B. Okay. Passing cache. Else. Don't have anything in here. I start with it, I search. Take names. Return. Current node is my target. Check for check for king. Happens if my undefined unreachable. Don't check for it here. How many fights have you been in your life? The question was, is considered a fight for you, like a fist fight where you hit people. It's like 0. I never had to be violent in my life. I've seen them happening with others, probably a handful times, but I was never involved. Who have been in 5, never started one, yet have won all. One in win was a number one. Don't know if there's anything to win in a fight, but won all, okay. Should care for blocking tile. Something is off. For 90 is valid. Start with. No, my starting tile is never checked. Interesting. Is it? Yes, I'm lucky. This I agree. So the one check I'm missing is if my start is blocking. Then I could just return. Something is Missing by my code. On one hand, I need to check this. My starting one should not be blocking. On the other hand, I should not have this position drawn. Why does he have this as a first move position? If I don't return it, it should fix it. Okay, let's find out. A passing at next waypoint. Is position blocking? I check the source position. Wait to a blocking position. No, this is the other way around. Aim on a blocking position. Okay, I can fix this. I have to do 2 checks. Or is there a reason I don't have it in? And I return null, not undefined. Okay, doesn't matter yet. But this should fix my problem. Test replace. Okay, I have to pause soon. And did I stop? Now I can. He paints. Okay, he's doing his job. Should be fixed now. To see if it runs to the end. What religion are you? No religion, atheist. So don't believe in God is a short version. I think that you don't know what artist means. Did I assume it? I don't think so. I just added it as if it might be. Maybe I wasn't sure if this is an English word. It's the same in German. Maybe this is more why I added it. Wasn't unsure if it's an English word. Okay, but I have my replay. My replay is false, but it works, so I can fix this. slightly. No, I'm confused. Problem is I died. Need a winning one. So I should do another tamer one, I guess. Throw it away. Changes I die. Okay, I died. When you tamer one away. Bug fix. Did an IQ test. 110 to 120. Yeah, that sounds high. Oh, relatively. Don't know if age also matters. Probably does. So it's higher for your age. But also, in the past, I've seen that there are a lot of, let's call it fake IQ tests. Which, I once did one where I just randomly pressed and it said at the end you have an IQ of 100, although it was just randomness. No, it is average. I think it was even lower, but I'm unsure. Average human IQ. Most people have an IQ between 85 to 115. Okay, then it's 100. Okay. Where was I? I wanted to push. No, I wanted to commit. Bug fix. Waypoint not checking target position for blocking. Next game task is teleport reset. So this is fixed. This is still the case. I'm back to map modifier card to find center. Okay, this was my problem. So I need something which tells me where the center is, and I thought about different tiles. Let's check it out. Cheats, close cast darkness. Okay, there it is. And I'm in it. I need to know. Let's make it bigger. Okay, where do I have to go? I don't see it. I need some indication. And I need different grass tiles would be the easiest one. So I can make darker. I think do I change the tile ID? No, when I paint it, I can just paint some. Oh, wait, okay, I have an idea. Map paint, probably. Did you know monkeys can be just as smart as humans? I depends how you mean it, but no, monkeys are, to my knowledge, not as smart, but there are certain tasks where monkeys can surpass humans that I know. So I also heard of a monkey which would teach English sign language. Taught English sign. Is sign language is the English version? Sounds strange, but I don't know much about it. Never heard about a mental breakdown. And map I paint chunk. Do I do? Or if I don't have this? Texts. Not interested. And map chunk on Okay. Smartest gorilla of all time. Oh nee, this is, I have a cache. I don't have a cache. Define. It's a cache. Overall tiles, paint tile here. Do stuff here, I draw images. I draw a fill rect in the L. Did I grass? Some order. So I have layer in position, tile ID. Don't have the tile ID paint tile. Do a tile D code and it's my chunk. I want to know how far in I am. Many languages have a sign language version. That there are many versions, I understand. The connection between a spoken language and a sign language sounds weird. It's more like different countries have maybe a version or something that would make more sense to me. Sign language versions? How should I call it? American, French sign language, Irish sign language. Okay, this can be understood as connected to a region or as a language. Okay. Not layer. Chunk. Sounds off. Feels off. Far beyond me, yes. I know. Something doesn't add up. I don't have chunk. Modifier string. I mark. Chunk. I'm missing something. Game map. Yeah, I have map modifiers. Do I fill them? On chunk create modify. So if I create a chunk, I modify it by putting this in it. I can check if and then I can find out how far. Okay. Making me smarter. Yeah, also true. Get some more experience with talking in English. Or no more experience in English conversation. Talking I do, but without a partner, it's hard to learn. Or hard to know how good I am. Chunk mod modifier. So if I have map modifiers, then map modifiers contains only find. Don't know if this would make a difference. F modifier m equals modifier darkness something. Modifier name darkness. I think this is the one I'm searching. I have darkness. For now I could just exfil rect this one tile. This paint position. Y tile size. No. X global alpha. This. And color probably CTX. Style equals black. Close. Seems it did not work. Am I looking? Heard of the deep biosphere? I think that you mean deep below the earth there are microorganisms living. This is something in this regard I've heard. If this is what you mean, or if this is what it's called. Paint chunk. Map paint. Map paint. Chunk. This one I want doesn't happen. Doesn't happen because it's cached. Do I clear cache? That cool. And then let's go here. It happens. To Khalifa Steep. This was a building, I believe. Bacteria left down there, yeah, microorganisms, I think. No, I failed. I paint. Want to know if the map modifiers. Test darkness. Test darkness. Where's the difference? Find index. As index is 0. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. Then let's change it to find. And then it should work. Does it? It's a string. Should work. Can check if I can get in here. Suppose. I get in here. Did it happen? Get in here. Something is painted with it. Yeah. It doesn't add up. I don't use the correct cache. No, it should happen. Sheets close. Okay, now I have it. So I think this still works fine. I need better depth representation. If this all in your mind, this information, then you're quite good at remembering, I guess. Okay, now I want to know inside which chunk and the distance to have an alpha value for each tile. I need the map. Do I have the map? I have the game. Probably needs the game. Game map. Game state map. Modifiers. Can only have one. No, I find. Can I have two darkness? I'm currently unsure what type it is. It's an array. Would be multiple in. I care only for one now. Modifier. There's a modifier. Type is equals modifier name darkness. Darkness, I have one. If I have it, can continue. Darkness, type ID, area. Is it center? Is it got? I don't have the center. Yeah, center. Area middle. Get modifier. Go area. Modifier. Go. The middle, didn't I? Check this for example. Don't have a middle. Hope you enjoy this information. Will probably forget all of it tomorrow, but if you can write this down all from your minds, then you're good at remembering, I guess. 7 times as much mass as life on surface. I wonder how they calculate this value. Why don't I know the middle? So not every place has one. I have two. I'm missing functions. Is chunk affected? I have this position inside shape. This is one of the functions I was wondering. Inside shape. Shape functions. Ah, okay, shape functions. Get middle. Yeah, now I understand. Shapes. Middle. Get shape middle. Does it need darkness area? Const middle. They saw the areas of the deep biosphere. Ratio it. They're assuming deep biosphere is basically everywhere on Earth and not that it's only in certain parts of the deep. Okay. Const middle. The middle I want the distance. Const distance is calculate distance. The middle, and I have the position. Paint position I have. Not interesting. XY. So not enough. Tile position. Do I have something? Map key and tile XY2 position. This sounds good. Map key. Do I have the map key? But chunk, do I know the key in here? Chunk XY position. I need here tile X, tile Y. This I have. Tile X, tile Y. State map. I'm missing map key. In chunk. chunky. This is what I want. Can we calculate it because I have chunk X and Y in here? Let's do it. Const chunk key is, oh, did I call it? Chunk to map key. Chunk X, chunk Y. Set chunk XY. Okay, chunk XY X chunk XY Y. Now I should const tile position. Tile position. I can calculate the distance. And now I need a value. Const alpha value. For now, just do distance. How do I do it? Max distance. It shape area. Okay, would I decide for max distance? Just do the fixed value max distance is, say it's 10,000. Too much. 1,000, 5,000, 5,000 sounds fine. And alpha A. I want a high value. And I need distance gets small. Is to be this point. Wait a minute. Let's call it takes a minimum max distance, so it will at least be 5,000. This is 1. The distances which gets smaller. Distance goes to 0. So the number gets smaller, but I don't want it to let's call it divided by 2 and 0.5 plus. This should be set it. Okay, for it can be to think again. It's to multiply and divide. get 0.5 to 1. Didn't make it. Also I can multiply. Divide this can work. Let's see. Spawn. Okay, I have failed completely. Alpha is dependent on distance. Shade, close call. And let's find. I am interested in the alpha value. We start. We didn't want to write it. Okay, I have alpha 5.7, 5.8, 5.8. Can I see it somewhere? Yeah, 5.9, 6, 5.8, 9. Not quite. Why does it go down there? Five. So because this chunk is not in, I think I understand it can still. I change this to 1000, this will be more visible. On small areas it doesn't work. Now it's completely black. Why? This would mean I did it the wrong way around. I to divide and this. Now it's. I want it. The nearer I come to the middle, the higher the value has to be. So it's the wrong way around. This goes to 0. Yes, it's the wrong way around. I max distance. Max distance is max distance. Be 1 and then be 0. This way. Max distance is 1000 currently. Can be. This will grow bigger. Is correct? No. This way is correct. This way I get a value bit 0 and 1. Closer the value, the higher it should be. Let's do this for now. This value goes from 0 to 0.5. Close is 0. 0 to 0.5. So I do this. Zero 0.5 means I'm up to the maximum distance. Okay, let's try. Okay, it gets more and more confusing. Now it completely breaks. Not even. The alpha value can be 0. 0 destroys it. So if alpha smaller equals 0, it has to be bigger. Then I paint. Let's see another time. Spawn here. Paint again. Gets darker. So this effect is what I wanted. But be a bit different. Const max alpha 0.5 is it? I would this and I would multiply by I do 0.4 should work. Now I want to have a distance const darkest size is let's say 1000. Which would mean I have different calculation. I have this distance. I have the distance. I have to this here, so I allow a bigger one. From the distance, const total distance. Distance is total distance minus darkest size. Should change it up. I can go mass point max. It should not go below 0. Is correct? This would go below 0, strange things would happen. I calculate and I have the darkest area. Now the only strange thing is that on smaller I don't need this currently. Exactly on small. Makes it bigger. I already painted it. It works now. The boss, and now it gets brighter. With this, I find to the middle. This looks fine. I think I need a bit. Let's increase the size. Oh, here it starts. 2000, I guess. No, 4000 area. At least I can find. It's still high. Let's double it. Max distance 2000. 1000. Now, no, I did not. This. Oh, I still have the problem that I have. It's strange. What can I do? Let's make it big again. I think this is. Make it a bit bigger. So I can feel like getting closer. I can notice the darker, and here I'm in the dark. Distant. The problem is to 3.5. Did I? This looks fine. Did I save? Let's do one more. 3. It looks fine. Wait, this looks fine if it grows. Like I know where it gets. So this looks fine. Now the question is, how do I deal with corners? So basically, I would say this size is not big enough for me to darken it. Could say have darkness, get middle, const area, get shape area, darkness area, and if this is area smaller 1 million, don't do it. So this would be greater than a million. A million is only 1,000 times 1,000. It's not really. But let's do 10. So 3,000 times 3,000. Guess. Do. No, I know this. Should not do it. Increase the size. Oh, he already does it, but I think this is barely. I still have. So the cut I need is 3,000 times 3,000 times 2. It did change. Not enough. Seems to be enough, I guess. It's not too far off. Why is 3,000 times 3,000? Is this a radius? I guess I'm missing y times 2 times last point pi is the correct value. The 3,000 is these two add together. I can put them here, put them add them together. Pouch base exponent times 2 and mass point pi. This could be it. Be around a good value. Now I'm unsure if everything is dark currently. It's dark. And down here. It looks decent. It's possible to start, so I get a new. I have to have the darkness. I have to have the. This is a darkness. Modifier darkness. And modifier light. This is not where I am. On chunk create modifier. Let's make another export function. Modifier darkness. Darken chunk paint. I have game. I have to come to an end. Canvas 2D. See. Have these tile ready. These I won't check. I need the darkness. If I have it, I call it. So this is right to take. I have my CTX, which I paint. I have Modifier. I have functions. Tile position. Area input. Chunk XY. Position. I have a tile X as a number. Tile Y number. Here I have everything. Tile size. I can paint XY. Paint X is a number. Paint. No. X and it's a number. Should rename them. Tile size. Tile size number. Good. I paint X. And now in here I call it the cache CTX darkness chunk XY tile X tile tile size tile have it. That's the game. What's the game used for? Yeah, game state map. Okay. He doesn't. Okay, now he sees it. Thanks. Now I darkening here. Try again. Fine. 2, 3, 5, 6. 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 3, 3, 1. Failed. Okay, now it did. This is shortest distance. Feels fine. Oh, the area is big. I can try to find the middle. Dark map modifier darkness. Darken tiles when area big. Darken tiles closer to middle. Okay, fair. Time is coming to an end. I done this. Should check if everything still works. Did I put my tests back? No, I put them. One tests. 12. 3. On painting I have maybe now a slightly slower version. 5% is okay. Times look good. It's my old tamer we play. Don't even know when it failed. It failed in boss entering because I made the pets teleport. And king area entering. Sees it as a no new replay, okay, because I have the one between. Okay, everything works. The timer is not working, which is expected. My to-do list. Close those others. Tamer is still in. Increase version I did. I have my next tasks. Test. Activate. Set. Replace. What did I do here? Can put this also in. Clean up task. And then I can push this. I'm done for today. Everything looks good. Okay, then I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.